It's a video clip. I'll be showing you our final step for installing a smoke detector. Next, we need to install our battery. Now you want to make sure you get the positive side to the positive side and the negative side to the negative side. Go ahead and close